So hi everyone, welcome back. I have an overview of some of the items from Scrappy Tales Crafts that has been released like this month. So I thought I was going to go over it with you, and I got this super sweet bag that says thank you. I just love it. I thought it was so cute. And it has 2 bags of embellishments, a green and a purple sort of yams. I hope the camera is picking up. They are really beautiful. I can't wait to have them on my project, so thank you so much for those. And then I have a main die set, so everything, I should say that everything came this beautifully packaged. So I probably should do it like this and save this in my stash and have it on some projects. So the main thing, she asked what I wanted to use, and I decided that I wanted to try a pop-up mechanism, and she sent me this one. That's a newer one, and you can see it's like an egg carton, and it comes in 2 pieces. So I believe that both of these, you can see this, so they are actually in one set, so you buy them together. They just come separately, like stored. And you have some inspiration here that you can like follow for creating this pop-up. So yeah, I can't wait to use that. And to go with all of that, there is also some like elements to go with it. So we have this one. This one is called Egg Carton Seedlings. So you have some plants. Can see how cute, and some tools that you can also fit inside of this. Super sweet. And then we have this adorable bunny. So this one is called Carrot Bunny Die. So you can use that one together with the egg carton as well. And then I have this that also coordinates with that same. It's the chicks. Super sweet. Egg carton chicks. And I also got one extra thing. I don't think that this coordinate, or maybe it does. Easter egg background 4-layer stencils. So I can't wait to play with that one as well. So this is what I have to play with this month when I'm guest designing for Scrappy Tales Craft. And I can't wait to be back with some videos with this. So this was an overview, and I will soon be back with a video where I create something. So stay tuned. Bye. Hi, welcome back into this part of the video where I'm creating a slimline egg carton pop-up card, and I'm using the products that I previously showed you that I got from Scrappy Tales. And you can see here I didn't know exactly how to put this together the best way, so I just cut away one of the pieces there and took the decorative piece and laid it over. And I also have this to the back side, if this makes sense, for I wanted the stitching to be visible on the other side. If I had cut it down and made it into a double carrier, it probably wouldn't have mattered as much as it did in this case. So you will see here, this is actually the back side, and yeah, it will be the front side when I'm all done with it, but you can see this is like the back, and that is why I used my bone folder just to make my lines look a little bit nicer. I love the decorated pieces here with the purple cardstock. I think it looks really fancy and perfect for an Easter basket. And I'm pulling all the tabs here, and I will attach it all together. You will see how cute this is. And I have one more decorated piece here. You could also do it to the back side if you like. You can see the nice stitching there. So I'm just gluing this together, lining everything up, making sure that I can fold it. You could use liquid glue, or maybe some strong double-sided tape would have worked really nicely here as well. Sorry, I'm a little bit off camera here, but you will see that I'm attaching this with glue as well. Just having it fold, and it will of course unfold because I used glue, and then I can just press it back in together again when you can see here how easy that was. So this is the base for our slimline egg carton. And in this there are a couple of bridges. You could fold these at opposite sides. That is, I think, the recommended way, but I folded them at the same way just because I think it looked nice in this box. And you can see I'm decorating the backside as well. Here you can write your message if you like. You can also cut one of the other pieces out to have your message on there if you like. Yeah, so it's a lot of options. And now it's time to decorate this. So off camera I had all of this footage, but I wanted to cut my video down to be a little bit shorter. You can see I have created some elements, and the eggs are from the I will just turn this over. It's called egg carton chicks, and it's these beautiful eggs, and some of the eggs are also from the Slimline egg carton pop-up card, so there is a variety there of how they look. So for example, the one with the small flowers are from the base pack, as well as the dots, but this striped one that I did in yellow colors are from the egg carton chicks. And then you can see a bunch of flowers there in the background. I cut those from the egg carton seedlings set, and I will attach them around my card. And the sentiment I will share with you in a second here. That one is also from this set. And you can see I'm taking double-sided foam tape to the back of some of these, just to make sure that I am having some dimension from the bridge here or from the background, depending on where I'm putting it. So you can see I'm just scattering them around the card here. They are super cute. Love the different colors, pink and white, and that green yellow color. And I also had some more sprigs that I popped around my card. And I also wanted to have a floating sentiment, so I cut Happy Easter, that also comes in the base set. And I have some really strong acetate here. It's from some recycled plastic. And I have some strong double-sided tape. So you can see I'm just putting them to the top, attaching my sentiment, and then I'm having the base there. And then I have some more adhesive there. And then I can basically just pick them up and shove them down at the places I want them to be at. I could have them in the front. That was my thought process first, but I didn't like it. I thought it was looking a little bit funny. So I actually put them with my eggs in the middle there, and they will be floating there. So they are super cute. And this is how my project came together. I hope you get inspired to create something and that you liked this video. If you did, please give this video a thumb up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I will also leave links down below for all of the products that I used in this video. And until next time, have a great day. Bye!